Bury me in North Georgia, a place where I call home, where my feet are planted, never more to roam. I have found a place where I proclaim to be the place I live as long as I remain. I left my home in Arkansas when I was just a boy. It was a place of memories of a time of great joy. It was then to old Missouri where I spent my growing days, a place where I learned to live, love, work, and play. In my teenage years, I made more memories on the banks of Old Man River in Memphis, Tennessee. There I set my goal to give myself away to the service of the Lord for the rest of my days. It was while in Tennessee with the love of my life. There we pledged forever to live as man and wife. Then back to Missouri, according to God's plan. We did the work of God where our family began. Our journey took us through Texas and again to Tennessee. But the place where we belong is where the Lord wants us to be. Then a voice came calling for us to go southwards to beautiful North Georgia. We continued to move onward. There we put our stakes down, now for many years, where we've left behind certain doubts and fears. Yesterday is past and gone, there's a vision to fulfill here in North Georgia to complete the Father's will. I love the Blue Ridge Mountains, to breathe fresh mountain air, to feel its gentle breeze, where there's beauty everywhere, to see the mountain views and flowing mountain streams, with the sound of babbling brooks. 'Tis a place of my dream. I've had no desire to go back to former days, nothing to turn back to, for this is a new day. Here I shall remain till my days on earth are through, but in the meantime there's still a work to do. So bear me not in the state of Tennessee, not in Arkansas, nor in old Missouri. The vision of these places is etched in my heart. The Georgia is my home, where I found a brand new start. In the foothills of the Blue Ridge, a Georgia boy I've come to be. If you ever come looking, that's where you will find me. When I see the snow-capped mountains and the waves on a rolling sea, when I see a beautiful sunset, they were created just for me. When I see a painted desert, winding rivers through the land, they're the great creations of God's mighty hand. The beauty of them all show me God's mighty hand. Who can paint a sunset? Only God can. He's great creator, by His word He has decreed. Everything that He's created is splendor and beauty. For He created the heavens and all the birds of the air, the sun, the moon, the stars, nothing can compare. He created everything, all the creatures of the sea. He saved the best for last. He created you and me. The beauty of them all show me God's mighty hand. Who can paint a sunset? Only God can. He's great creator, by His word He has decreed. Everything that He's created is splendor and beauty. The yellow daffodils that grow up from the ground, all the colorful flowers, greater beauty can be found. The trees so tall and majestic that point toward the sky, why did God create them? For us is the reason why. The beauty of them all show me God's mighty hand. Who can paint a sunset? Only God can. He's a great creator, by His word He has decreed. Everything that He's created is